Some foods are referred to as superfoods since they are extremely healthy and nutritious while containing high amounts of nutrients. These foods offer you many health benefits too. They help fight inflammation, reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes and obesity, improve gut health, vision, and many more. So let's see the 13 most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Number 1, salmon. Salmon and other fatty fish contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help prevent heart disease, stroke, inflammatory disease, and autoimmune disorders. In addition, salmon is rich in high-quality protein, vitamins B3, B5, B6, B12, vitamin D and E, selenium, and potassium. Finally, regular consumption of fatty fish is associated with better weight control, a reduced risk of diabetes, metabolic syndrome, dementia, and depression, and an improved sense of well-being. Number 2, kale. Most leafy greens are highly nutritious, and kale is one of them. It is rich in vitamins C, K, A, B6, and minerals like potassium, calcium, magnesium, copper, and manganese. In addition, kale is a good source of fiber. It is also high in various bioactive compounds, including isothiocyanates and several other antioxidants. Number 3, legumes. Legumes are a group of foods that include beans, peas, lentils, soybeans, and peanuts. They are high in dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health and reduces calorie intake. Legumes are one of the best sources of plant-based protein, making them suitable for a vegan or vegetarian diet. They are also rich in complex carbohydrates that provide lasting energy to the body. Despite being rich in carbohydrates, they have a low glycemic index, meaning they do not significantly increase blood glucose levels. This characteristic is especially beneficial for individuals with diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Finally, legumes contain vitamins, antioxidants, and several minerals such as iron, calcium, and magnesium. Number 4, eggs. Eggs are one of the cheapest but extremely nutritious foods available. They contain small amounts of almost every nutrient required by the human body. Eggs are called nature's multivitamin since they contain all vitamins except vitamin C. They are rich in good animal proteins, healthy fats, and low in carbohydrates. Eggs also provide good amounts of essential nutrients, including iron, selenium, phosphorus, and iodine. Moreover, eggs are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 important nutrients that prevent age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. According to research, regular consumption of eggs is associated with a reduced risk of diabetes and better weight control. Number 5, avocado. Some people call avocado a superfruit since it is extremely nutritious and offers many health benefits. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamin C, E, K, B2, B3, B5, B6, folate, and minerals like magnesium, potassium, copper, and manganese. Avocados are also a rich source of fiber, which improves digestive health, and plant-based antioxidants that fight against many chronic disease conditions. Number 6, berries. Fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are extremely nutritious. They are well known for their antioxidant properties, which help fight inflammation and cancer. In addition, berries are a good source of fiber, vitamin C and K, folate, and minerals such as copper and manganese. Since they have a low glycemic index, they are good for people with diabetes. Berries also help reduce blood cholesterol levels and are good for skin health. Number 7, nuts. Nuts are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which are essential for a range of bodily functions. Additionally, they contain a variety of other nutrients, including vitamins K, E, folate, and thiamine, and minerals such as magnesium and potassium. Nuts are also rich in carotenoids and antioxidants. The most healthy types of nuts include almonds, pistachios, and walnuts. Number 8, garlic. Garlic has been well known for its medicinal properties for centuries. The main active ingredient in garlic is allicin, which helps lower blood pressure and improves lipid levels in the blood. Garlic also has anti-cancer, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. It is rich in vitamin C, B1, and B6, as well as calcium, potassium, copper, manganese, and selenium. Number 9. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, fiber, magnesium, manganese, and copper. It is one of the best snacks to eat in moderation. Consumption of dark chocolate is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, improved blood pressure, and brain function. However, it is important to choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content. Number 10. Potatoes, popular root vegetable consumed all around the world. They are rich in potassium, magnesium, iron, copper, manganese, and vitamin C. Potatoes are one of the most filling foods available and can be incorporated into the diet in a variety of ways. However, it is important to consume the whole food rather than snacks made with potatoes to get the maximum health benefits. Number 11. Animal liver organ meats such as liver are one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. Liver is rich in high-quality animal protein, vitamin A, many of the B vitamins, including B12, and minerals such as iron, copper, zinc, phosphorus, and selenium. However, it is best to consume animal liver in moderation due to its high vitamin A content, which can have adverse effects if consumed excessively. Pregnant mothers should completely avoid eating animal liver due to an increased risk of birth defects in the baby. Number 12. Fish shellfish such as oysters and clams are excellent sources of vitamin B12 and zinc. They also provide good amounts of vitamin D, other B vitamins, potassium, selenium, and iron. Moreover, shellfish are one of the best sources of high-quality animal protein. Number 13. Seaweed. Seaweed consists of edible plant species found in the ocean and is one of the most nutritious foods on the planet. It is a common ingredient in sushi. Most often, seaweed is more nutritious than vegetables. It provides minerals such as calcium, iron, magnesium, iodine, and manganese, as well as carotenoids and other antioxidants. Additional nutrient-rich foods. In addition to these foods, some other names that are worth mentioning include the following: broccoli, ginger, spinach, beef mushrooms, and sweet potatoes. Hope someone found this video interesting and helpful. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.